For constructive interference, phase difference phi equals, I get fringes of width 0.006 meter. So very clearly, it is in terms of the fringe width, in terms of slit distance. Fifth dark fringe, n equals 4. Third dark fringe, n equals 2. Hello students, the last session on the chapter optics, where today I will be solving numericals from the concept interference of light. ನೀವು ಹಳೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ the probability of a 5-mark numerical from this topic is very, very high. Always a 5-mark numerical is asked from the topic interference of light. And solving these problems become very simple only when you have gone through the concepts, observed the sessions, noted down the formulas. So in my today's session, I will work out numericals which are asked from the previous examinations. The first one. The first problem reads that in a Young's double slit experiment, so we are talking about Young's double slit experiment, where light of wavelength 600 nanometer is used. So we are using light of wavelength 600 nanometer. I have to find the phase difference and path difference. Phase difference and path difference for fourth bright fringe. Fourth bright fringe, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, and fifth dark fringe from the central fringe. So, in the problem, we are using light whose wavelength is 600 nanometer. I have to find the phase difference and path difference in case of fourth bright fringe and fifth dark fringe. Now, we will go to the solution of this problem. First, as we usually do, the data, and the only data that is available is wavelength of light represented by lambda. Wavelength is always represented by the symbol lambda, which is 600 nanometer. Nano is 10 power minus 9. So 600 nanometer. So in the first case, I will consider the fourth bright fringe. Fourth bright fringe. So please note here, n is equal to 4. So it is a bright fringe. So n is equal to 4. So first I will consider the phase difference. Now, just go back to the theory of interference, where I have given you conditions for constructive and destructive interference. Bright fringe, very clearly constructive interference, which means what is the condition for phase difference? Phase difference when you have constructive interference. Phi was 2n pi. You have to remember this. For constructive interference, phase difference, phi equals 2n pi, or phi equals 2. N here is 4. I keep pi as it is. So 8 pi radians. Nodi, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿದೆ. If you just know the expression for constructive interference, phase difference phi is 2n pi, 2 into 4, 8 pi radians. B. Now, I will consider path difference. So, which is destructive interference, path. So, here, path difference x is n lambda. If you recall, condition for destructive interference, x is n lambda. So, 4 into 600 into 10 power minus 9, which is 2400 into 10 power minus 9 meter. So we have solved the problem in case of fourth bright fringe. The next one I consider is the fifth dark fringe. And this is important, please, to understand. Dark fringe, fifth dark. So whenever dark fringe is given, n should be 1 less than whatever is given. Fifth dark fringe, n equals 4. Third dark fringe, n equals 2. So dark fringe in kotre, please to understand, n will be 1 less than whatever is mentioned. So fifth dark, n is equal to 4. So what is the phase difference here? So phi is 2n plus 1 pi. So if you remember, phase difference in terms of destructive interference. Phi equals 2n plus 1 pi. So this is 2 into 4 plus 1 pi, which is 9 pi radians. Similarly, path difference. So I have calculated the phase difference. What will be the path difference? X equals 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, or 2 into 4 plus 1, 600 into 10 power minus 9 by 2, so many meters. This will be a small task for you all just to complete the simplification. Nodi, if you know the conditions, if you know the formulas, expressions, how easily I can arrive at the answer. The next one. In Young's double slit experiment, YDSE, Young's double slit experiment, using yellow light of wavelength 600 nanometers and the two slits 1.5 millimeters apart. The interference fringes on the screen are 0.1 millimeter apart. Calculate the distance from the slit to the screen. What will be the fringe width if this distance is doubled? Fringe width if the distance is doubled. In Young's double slit experiment, Matte puna Young's experiment, yellow light of wavelength 600 nanometer is used. So lambda is again 600 into 10 power minus 9 meter. And the two slits 1.5 millimeter in distance. Distance between the slits always small d. 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter, because it is given in millimeters. The interference fringes on the screen are 0.1 millimeter apart, which means interference fringes, fringe width beta is equal to 0.1 into 10 power minus 3. I have to calculate the distance from the slit to the screen. So what will be capital D? Given this data, can I recall any equation which will give me capital D? Yes. Expression for fringe width, where we say beta is lambda d divided by small d. So the first part of the question, I have been asked to calculate capital D, distance between the slits and the screen. So capital D is beta into small d by lambda. Now on proper substitution, 0.1 into 10 power minus 3. Small d is 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 600 into 10 power minus 9. So on simplification, this is 0.1 into 1.5 equals divided by 600. So this is 0.00025 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 9 goes to the numerator. It is plus 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 0.25 meters. So the distance between the screen and the slits is 0.25 meters. The next question says, what will be the fringe width if this distance is doubled? New fringe width if the distance is doubled. Therefore, now if D is 2 times D, so 0.25 into 2, which is 0.5 meter, beta dash is lambda d by small d. So 600 into 10 power minus 9, 0.5 divided by 0.1 into 10 power minus 3, so many meters will be the answer. The last simplification task is yours. Take a calculator. Everything is substituted. The last step, kindly work out. The next problem, very interesting, and this is asked several times in the exam, so please do follow. Again, Young's double slit experiment, wavelength of light used is 4200 angstrom to get fringes of width 0.06 meter. So he says, when we using a wavelength of light which is 4200 angstrom, the fringe width is 0.006 meter. Calculate the wavelength of light from another source to get fringes 0.0045 meters wide if the distance between the screen and the slits is reduced to half of the initial value. The problem says, when I am using a source whose wavelength is 4200 angstrom, I get fringes of width 0.006 meter. Now I have to calculate the wavelength of light to get fringes of width 0.0045 when distance between the slit and the screen is reduced to half. With all these things, again I use the same expression. We know that beta is lambda d by d. In the first case, beta 1 is lambda 1 capital D divided by small d. Remember, capital D, distance between the slit and the screen. Small d, small distance between the slits. Now, substitute. Beta 1 is 0.006. Lambda 1 is 4200 angstrom, 10 power minus 10, capital D divided by small d. In the next case, second case, beta 2 is lambda 2d divided by d. How much is beta 2? 0.0045. So 0.0045 equals lambda 2 into, now d becomes d by 2, half of the previous value. So d divided by 2d. I call this equation 2, from which now I have to calculate lambda 2. So what will I do? Equation 2 divided by equation 1. Equation 2, 0.0045 divided by 0.006 equals lambda 2d divided by 2d into d divided by 4200 into 10 power minus 10 into capital D. D gets cancelled, small d, simplify, so many angstroms will be the answer. This is an assignment for you all. I would like you all to observe the session, go through the question and get me the answer for this. The next one. In double slit experiment, the distance of the screen from the slits is 1 meter. Screen to slit distance is 1 meter. And the distance between the slits is 1 millimeter. The distance between the slits. If the third dark fringe is formed at a distance 1.5 millimeter from the central point on the screen, calculate the wavelength of light used. Again, parametrically going to my first problem, third dark fringe. So he says it is third dark fringe, which means n is equal to 2. Very good. Helde dark andre 1 less than the given third dark fringe. So n is 2. Distance of the screen from the slits, capital D, is 1 meter. Distance between the slits, 1 millimeter. 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. The dark fringe is formed at a distance 1.5 millimeter. So, X here is 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. I am supposed to calculate lambda. Now, given is a dark fringe, very clearly n is 2. Now, what is the condition for the formation of dark fringe? X is 2n plus 1 lambda d divided by 2d. Now, it is not in the form of phase or path difference. So, very clearly, it is in terms of the fringe width, in terms of slit distance. So, substituting here, 1.5 into 10 power minus 3, 2n plus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5 into lambda into, what is capital D? Let us just check back. Capital D is 1 divided by 2 into 1 into 10 power minus 3, where we have to calculate lambda, and lambda turns out to be 600 nanometer. So very clearly you can see simple problems on interference of light. If you know the given conditions, try to abstract the problem. Easily it can be solved. So in my next class, I will start with magnetism and matter. Practice your problems well. Be thorough. Exams are nearing. Have a good day. Thank you.